You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn once and for all, how to pronounce the name of this famous Chinese dish. If you want to learn more food names, including from China, stay tuned. Mandarin. Yes, the pronunciation in English is pronounced as chop suey. It literally means, the meaning is odds and ends, because it's made of all sorts of stuff, bamboo shoots, bean sprouts, etc. Chop suey. Now, the Chinese pronunciation, if you're curious, is quite different. It's pronounced ca suey, ca suey. So that's quite different. In English, certainly, the pronunciation, chop suey. So it's not chop suey, chop suey. It's easy, and now you know. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon, and thanks for watching.